If you suspect or have confirmed that your pain is coming from a tendon related issue, whether it be tendonitis or more of a chronic condition referred to as tendinosis, this video is going to be for you. We'll help to establish what normal healing timeframes are based on which condition you are dealing with, as well as what you can do to speed up this healing process and get back into the activities and sports that you love doing faster. When we're dealing with more of an acute flare up or irritation of a tendon, which a tendon is what connects a muscle to a bone and helps those muscles to pull on your bone to produce normal movement. Some common areas of the body where people have tendonitis or tendon related pain include the rotator cuff, the patellar tendon, the Achilles tendon, and more. With a tendonitis, there's an acute inflammation or irritation of the tendon, and is typically brought on by an overuse injury where we go out and we do a whole lot of activity that our body's not typically used to. And fortunately, there is a quicker recovery time frame, a better prognosis for somebody who has just overdone things in the short term. And with the right guidance from an experienced medical professional, they can help to guide you in offloading or reducing some of your current activity level while still finding ways to stay active and come up with a custom game plan for you to help you start to gradually become more active again and safely return to your desired sport or recreational activity. And if this is properly managed, most people will recover within 3 weeks, a month to 2 months, kind of tops from there. People that don't have quite as good a healing potential, aren't in as good a shape overall, and maybe overweight, will have a little bit longer time frame for recovery. Now, if you have a more chronic related tendon pain or issue, which we more commonly refer to as tendinosis, where there's actually some degenerative changes of the structure of the tendon itself, we're looking at a significantly longer recovery time frame. I'll typically tell my patients that as long as you've been experiencing this issue, you can expect for the recovery to take at least that amount of time, with it taking less or more depending on how diligent you are with your rehabilitation, with your overall health, in order to reduce this recovery time frame. But it can range as long as 3 months all the way up to 6 months plus in more chronic conditions. I've seen people that have been rehabbing these injuries for over a year or a year and a half before coming to see me and really getting things dialed in. Um, so this is recovery timeframes and expectations in terms of how long it takes to recover from a tendon-related pain or injury, whether it be a more acute flare-up, as is the case with a tendonitis, or in a more chronic condition impacting the tendon, referred to as a tendinosis.